Automobile accident attorney helps victims construct non-public damage claims and are seeking compensation for the damages different drivers cause. Car accidents can result in great accidents that can take years to heal, and in many cases, the victims in no way thoroughly recover. If you have been damaged in an accident and you have been now not at fault, Automobile Accident Legal Professional can assist you construct your case and file for compensation in a well-timed manner. The group at John Foy and Amp Associates can start constructing your case with a free consultation. What a car accident lawyer can do for your case. The important purpose of an auto accident attorney is getting you economic compensation to cover your prices like medical bills, vehicle restore or replacement, lost wages, permanent disability, pain and suffering, loss of consortium. Car accident legal professionals are non-public damage legal professionals who specialize in tort regulation surrounding vehicle accidents. There are a quantity of methods they can assist you pursue the fullest compensation possible. Here are some of the essential matters an auto accident legal professional does when working with an injured driver. Helps you understand your rights. Most humans are no longer well versed in private harm legal guidelines involving vehicle accidents. Because of this, when an accident does happen, it's definitely comprehensible if you don't understand what your full rights are. If you had been now not at fault for the vehicle accident, you ought to now not have to pay for damages ensuing from it. The legal guidelines around vehicle accidents differ per state. In Georgia, the at-fault celebration in any harm accident is responsible for all damages, and the injured birthday celebration can searching for compensation for their damages, per OCGASS 5116. Your legal professional can go through all applicable legal guidelines that observe to your case. They'll assist you apprehend what your rights are and how you can legally shield yourself. Insurance groups are professional at making you assume you have little preference in how your case goes. However, you probably have greater strength than you realize. Offers legal advice. After you get in an accident, you may get a lot of differing advice. Maybe you see online and see an article pronouncing one thing. Then, you discuss to a buddy or household member, and they provide you their opinion on what you have to do. It can get difficult rapidly and depart you thinking how to fantastic method your case. Turning to an auto accident harm attorney is regularly the pleasant vicinity to start. Car accident legal professionals understand what must appear after an automobile accident. They have spent years of schooling, training, and hands-on ride with vehicle accident claims. They can appear at the small print of your case and supply you the nice recommendation on how to are looking for the full monetary healing you need. Find and skilled auto accident legal professional if you prefer to have the fine danger at a profitable automobile accident case. Negotiates for a fair settlement. A lot of work and investigation goes into a successful vehicle accident claim. An accident lawyer does a lot at the back of the scenes to construct a robust case for you and combat for your rights. They can assist you, investigate the small print of your accident, gather all applicable information, which includes pictures, police reports, witness statements, and proof of damages. Build and file a private harm declare with the at-fault driver's insurance plan company. Negotiate for honest contract if the insurance plan employer tries to lowball you. File a lawsuit if the insurance plan agency refuses to negotiate. Handle each step of the pretrial process. Represent you in court docket with the purpose of convalescing full compensation for you. Represents you in court. Thankfully, most vehicle accident instances are resolved nicely earlier than they want to go to court. Insurance businesses are greater possibly to provide honest contract to a plaintiff who has an accident lawyer. Even if you quit up submitting a lawsuit, it's in all likelihood your attorney will attain a settlement with the insurer earlier than the trial. However, if you do give up going to court, a vehicle accident legal professional will be by using your facet through the whole ordeal. They will battle ruthlessly for your proper compensation. Experienced attorneys are no longer afraid of insurance plan organizations.